My name is Nicole Sanders.
Greg Hitzroth. You've been here since July of 2024, so a little over a year.
When we got here, the old finish had faded in a lot of spots throughout the house. There was like a lot of wood that was really gray and just kind of damaged. We were very happy that the original floors were still here.
Some of the rooms had gouges in the floors, some scratches here and there.
One of the rooms had pretty bad warping. There may have been some kind of water damage in the past. So we started doing some research once we were getting ready to move in. We knew from previous experience that the smell of polyurethane really bothered us a lot and made us feel really sick. We'd been in a building that had floors refinished. So we started doing some research on what kind of products had low VOCs and are also easy to apply.
Had some friends who had refinished their own floors and they said the process they lied. So it was quick. We thought we could do it and we watched a few videos and it was very doable. We went with the random orbital sander, even though it probably took longer to take off the original finish and then smooth out the floor, but I think ultimately it was doable for both of us.
And then we did a lot of research around the finish.
Nicole did a lot of research around the finish.
The Rubio Monocoat, and that's what we ended up going with, just from different recommendations of how easy it would be to apply and also the low VOCs. And it's a linseed oil product, and we like that about it too.
And supposedly it just binds with the wood too. If we do get spots where it wears away, we don't have to redo the entire floor, we can just redo spots. I think it really makes the color of the wood pop. We chose a natural
tint.
Yeah. And so it really brings out the color of the wood and the grain of the wood. I think it looks really nice.
I think we're very happy with it. I really love how it feels as well. It feels differently. It doesn't have a plastic finish, so you can actually still feel the wood a little bit. I love the color. These rooms face north, so they're a little bit dark, and so I like having the lighter floor color.
I think it was challenging, a good learning curve.
I think the fact that we did it made us love it more. That's why I have carpets everywhere, because I want to protect the floors.
Yeah.